I'm back with another video, and if you don't know what I'm doing today, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright squad, if you've been watching my videos, you know that I recently purchased a new pressure washer, which is actually like a spray washer. So the benefits of having something like this, and I'll leave a video link for you right up here, but the benefits of having something like this is that a lot of people are doing this out of their house and having to wash things out in their bathtub or take it outside to the garden hose and different things like that could be kind of hectic, and you know, you end up having to clean stuff out. So I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna show y'all my setup that you could have and be able to wash out screens. And I'm gonna wash out a screen for you with this to let you see how it works. Now this thing, it holds about, I think it's about 3 gallons of water, I think. So I'm gonna go in here, I'm gonna let you see what it's like. Okay, so right here I did just, now you can hear, right now you can hear the bathroom fan. That's what that sound is. But you can, this is my homemade washout booth. I made this washout booth right here myself, and I'll leave a link for you guys right up above. So that video that's popping up right about now, you can find out how to make one of these of your own. So right here, this is actually my homemade washout booth, and right in this closet right here, right there, I actually spilled some water out right there, but that's my pressure washer right there. I have it on this little cart. I'll leave links for both of those so you can check it out and see. But it's in this closet instead of like in my bathroom, because I'm actually in the bathroom doing all this. So instead of having to have the pressure washer here in the bathroom, because it's so small and does not need a hose to it, I can put it right here in the closet. And this is not even a full-size closet. As you see, it's a smaller closet because y'all know I'm in a portable building. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see how I wash out this thing using this spray washer, and it does just as good as a regular pressure washer. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up and let y'all check it out. Alright, so this is my screen with the emulsion in it. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put it in here. I gotta turn the spray washer on right quick because it's not on. And when I turn it on, I want y'all to listen. Listen to that sound. It's a little bit pressure on it because I just had it on earlier. I'm gonna flip it on. Y'all heard that? It charged up and now it stopped. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna go ahead. This is what you do when you're doing your screens. You spray it with water on both sides to get it wet. Then this is my emulsion remover right here. So I'm gonna go ahead, this is from Nevertheless Screen Printing Supply. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this on here, and then I'm gonna flip it and spray it on both sides. And I'm gonna do this video without pausing it so y'all can see the full effect of it. Now you do need to let this sit. First you want to agitate it by rubbing it in. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And turn it around to the other side. Because I want to do this whole thing on camera so y'all can see that this is all you really need and that it works well, because I just did a screen earlier and it was so easy. I was like, let me show this. And all I'm doing, I'm not doing any hard scrubbing, just agitating this, and that's all. I do have the dip tank, but since most of y'all that's watching my videos not gonna have the dip tank, I want to show y'all how you can do it the different way. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and test it out, spray a little bit. It's not quite ready yet. I'm gonna spray a little bit more emulsion remover on it. because it does spray a light mist. And like if I was doing a lot of screens, I'm only doing a couple of screens right now, but if I was doing a lot of screens, what I would do is I would go ahead and spray this one, agitate it on both sides, let it sit, because you really need to let it sit for a couple of minutes so that the emulsion can start to break down, because this emulsion is made to last in the screen, so it takes a minute for the chemicals to break it down. So if I was washing a lot of screens, I would do probably about 3 of them like this and set them and let them start to break down, and then I would start on the next one. You know, I would start on the first one and wash it out and wash those 3 out. And I would do them in 3s like that. You don't want to do too many at once because you don't want the emulsion to dry inside of your screen, because that could lock it up. So it should be ready to go. I'm going to agitate it one more time on both sides and then wash it out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm looking for the hose. I'm going to go ahead and take the hose and spray it. Alright, I'm going to flip it. And if y'all remember from my other videos, you can't even hear this pressure wash. It's so much quieter, you can't really hear it over the sound of the water. Alright, so I got that screen done right there, and I got the 2 screens that I'm going to be doing. They're washed out. So next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and degrease them and everything. And now, I have not charged the battery since I got this thing. It came fully charged. I played around with it. I washed that one screen and I washed this other screen, and I didn't fill it up last time I put the water in it, but it was enough water to wash that first screen. And then when I like sprayed a little bit more, it was out. So it does only hold 3 gallons of water. You're not gonna be able to wash 10 screens with it, but you could probably wash about 3 screens with it. And that's the most that a lot of people are going to do at once that's just starting. You know, if you're going to be doing a lot, or if you need something stronger, you probably want to go with a regular pressure washer. Alright, there's still plenty of water in here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and rinse everything out and switch up so I can start degreasing. So I'm going to go ahead and switch gloves, because I like to switch gloves. Actually, I'm not even going to use a glove for the degreasing. And I'm going to go ahead and spray everything out. I'm so used to looking for the big pressure washer. That's what I'm doing now. Go ahead and make sure all that washes down. I am going to get some gloves, y'all. I'm going to pause it so I can go get the gloves and come right back. Got the pink stuff degreaser right here. I got to get my scrub brush for the degreaser. Alright, so right here, I'm going to spray a little bit of water in this bucket. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit. Let me see. I'm going to go ahead and get the first screen. Oh, I'm making a mess. Oh, it's got a hole in it, y'all, and I'm making a mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some on this on my thing right here. And put it out the way. This should be enough for both of them, really. So I'm gonna let that one sit right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and get some more. So I put it on the other one. All right. Alright, so I'm gonna let both of these sit for a little bit, and I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video. I really want y'all to see the emulsion part without it being paused, so y'all can see that it really works. Cause those of y'all who do screen print, y'all know that emulsion can be tough to get out. So I'm gonna go ahead and let everything sit, and I'm gonna check back in a minute. Alright, now I'm going to show y'all one other thing with this. Now with the spray nozzle, let me go ahead and take one of these out. Should have kept my glove on, but I'm going to just take it off. Alright, with the spray nozzle, you can adjust it, like how it's kind of sharp right there. You can adjust it. See, it's getting softer right there. So that's actually what I want for what I'm doing now, is a little softer. Flip it around. And y'all, right here where it still got stuff in this screen, if you had a pressure washer, that probably will come right out, but it will come out. You just have to put a little bit more of the degreaser on there, and it will come out. So I'm gonna put it over here, and I'm gonna get to the next one. up to try to show y'all. More degreaser on these registration marks right here, because on both of them it's really just the registration marks. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that, and then I'm gonna come back and wash it out. All right, it should be ready to come out now. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it again. Alright, the water just ran out. I'm going to go ahead and refill it right quick, and then I'm going to finish washing these out. Alright, another thing, you can push it forward and it'll hold it, so you don't have to hold it that whole time, or you can pull it back and do the trigger. So this is a lot more convenient right here. And I'm gonna toss these screens in my screen rack so they can dry, and I can coat them with emulsion because I have an order I have to print coming up soon. So go ahead, I'm gonna go ahead and get the screens ready. But I appreciate you watching. If you liked the video, found it helpful, hit that thumbs up button. If you like my content, subscribe, and don't forget, hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on my future videos. And I'll see you in another video. Print Squad out.